Hello everyone. Today I am excited to walk you through Hypefury and show you how it can revolutionize your content creation process. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about scheduling your online presence. Here's your schedule. You'll notice evergreen written in green text. That's an evergreen post. This feature allows Hypefury to retweet these posts later on, giving your high-quality content more exposure over time. Next up, let's check out the queue for your upcoming tweets. Each tweet has a follow-up tweet icon. This feature automatically sends a follow-up post if the initial tweet gets a certain number of likes or retweets. It's a fantastic way to capitalize on engagement and drive further action from your audience. Hypefury offers advanced analytics on the premium plan. You can track the performance of your tweets, monitor your Twitter growth, and gain valuable insights to optimize your content strategy. Hypefury is your go-to tool for growing your audience and maintaining a consistent presence on Twitter. Whether you're building in public or simply looking to expand your reach, Hypefury has got you covered. Hypefury offers a free plan with basic features to get you started. With this plan, you can schedule tweets, utilize the evergreen post feature, and manage your Twitter account efficiently. Hypefury also offers a standard plan with additional features for more advanced users. These plans include analytics tools to track your Twitter performance, the ability to schedule posts for other social media platforms like LinkedIn, and options for automatic retweets and follow-up tweets based on engagement metrics. For larger teams or businesses with more extensive social media management needs, Hypefury offers premium plans with all the features that it has to offer. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Hypefury for free.